Well, I just got home, or just got the boat back to Michigan, and today's the day that I decided I was going to go out. Well, I woke up this morning, and it was a little white out, so I don't know, we got like 3 inches of snow or better. So yeah, it's gonna be pretty interesting. I fish while it snows before, but I've never really, not like this. I mean, a little bit of snow, whatever, but this has been, it's slowed down a little bit, but it's still snowing pretty well. I thought it was supposed to be a little bit warmer today, and maybe it will be once the day gets on a little bit more. It's like 26 degrees out right now, so I'm curious to see what the water temperature's like, and I'm curious to see if I can get them to bite. I mean, the ice is gone, obviously, since I'm taking the boat and not my ice fishing auger and sled. But yeah, so stick with me. Let's see if we can't make it happen. See if we can't catch some of these cold water fish. This is one thing that I really enjoy. It's one of those things where I'm really nervous and excited for every year, to go out right after the ice melts and see if I can't get them to bite. You know, you never know. It could be the thing where you don't catch any fish or get any bites, but other times, you know, you can go out and just totally kill them. So hopefully I kill them today, and yeah, so I'm gonna bring you guys along and see if we can't make it happen. Come on. All right, we just made it to the lake, or I just made it to the lake. So hopefully nobody gets grumpy with me, because I am just gonna leave my truck parked in the water, because I don't think anyone else is gonna come out here fishing. There was a cop sitting in the launch, which is, I don't know. So I'm gonna fish close for a while, and if he doesn't come down here and start causing a ruckus, then I'm gonna leave it here. I don't see why it's not, or why it'd be a big deal. There's one, you know, they can get in next to me, so if somebody else does come, there's another spot. But yeah, so it's game time now. I just have to get into the water, or jump to my tire and jump to the trailer. But look at this. Yeah. Big old dead crappie. I mean, in comparison to my hand, you know, that's at least a 12-incher. And then over here, there's a dead catfish. So I don't know. I'm sure it has to do with the ice fishing or what have you, but I don't know why anybody would not take that crappie. The catfish, I mean, I don't know why someone would kill it, so I wonder if maybe it was something else. And that crappie could have fell out of someone's bucket or whatever. So, but all right, well, I'm gonna get fishing, stop talking, and see if we can't catch some fish. Any fish would make me happy today, whether it be a big bass, small bass. That's preferably what I'm after, so that's what I want to catch. All right, let's go. I moved lakes. The other lake wasn't feeling it, wasn't catching any fish, so picked up a buddy, came to a new lake down the road, and we're gonna see if we can't catch him here. The other lake just wasn't fitting my fancy, if you know what I mean. So, all right. There's one. Fish on, baby. That's a good one.
Not a bad one, buddy.
I love it. Ah. Put the poles down, boys. We're on them.
Put the poles down.
Yes. That is what I'm talking about. Springtime. Oh yeah. There's one. It's not bad. Not as good as the first one. It's another fish though. Hey. Yeah, he's not bad. Yeah. Heck yeah.
Shit, not a bad two fish bag.
No. Heck yeah. Sweet. Yeah, he is white for sure. They got their little lipstick.
Yeah. Oh, that's sweet.
Oh! Stuck to the glove. Sorry, buddy. Well, that's all the time we were able to stick it out today. It's pretty windy there at the end. It's cold. Our eyelets are freezing. It was just a real pain. But I was able to catch those two fish, solid fish. One was about 2.5. The other one was probably 1.5 pounds, 1 3/4. Not too shabby, especially for my first 2 fish of the year in Michigan, not through the ice. Yeah, what I was doing today is I was just throwing a little Z-Man TRD. It was a green pumpkin. I had a chartreuse head, and you really didn't feel him bite. I had one fish that I felt bite and I missed him. The other 2, like, you're pulling it through like the little leftover grass from the year before, and you just kind of popping it out, and when you pop it out and it just loads up. So yeah, that's how I did it. So if you want to try that, give her a shot. And until next time, you guys know what to do. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Drop me a comment down below, and we'll see you guys later. Peace out.